with another one.
Alright guys, so this fog light is from the bumper cover of a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. Let's let you see how the bumper looks. This is the whole bumper. Okay. So this video is to show you how to remove this fog light. I know some people fog lights go out and you want to replace the fog light, or you hit something and you knock this whole unit out. I'm gonna show you how to remove the whole unit or just remove the fog light so that you can replace it. All right guys, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so let's start by removing the fog light itself. This unit here is the fog light, and as you can see, it has 4 Phillips head screws. You have 1 here, 2, 3, and then you have 4. If you remove all of those, this whole unit will come out. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I removed all the screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here they are right here. And basically, all you do is just grab it and pull it up, and there you go. That's how you remove the fog light. Now with the fog light removed, this plastic piece right here, it's very simple to remove also. So basically you're gonna have to take this part off first. So there's a screw here, and then there's a screw here, and then it has a push pin here and a push pin there. This whole piece will come off. Then you have access to the part where the fog light surrounds the fog light. And all you're gonna do is, see, you already have this screw removed and this one removed. So all you're gonna do is remove this one here. And once you remove this one, all you have to do is take loose these areas right here, which hold the actual plastic in. If you look at it from the back side, like right here, it has like a little lip right here. See that? That's what's holding it on. So you just push that back, push them all back, and start pulling this off, and that whole unit will come out. And that's it, guys. When you put it all back together, the fog light just sits right back on it, just like this. Now if you need to know how to remove the bumper, I have a video for that, so you can just look up 2019 Hyundai Sonata. Alright guys, have a good one.